Choosing the right battery for your vehicle depends on what you drive, how you drive, and where you live. Here are a few options. Before we get too specific, the entire lineup at Batteries Plus offer dependable starting power and reliability to make sure you get to where you're going without any issues. When you're on a road trip, you might need a little extra juice for a vehicle full of devices. Check out our Duracell Platinum and X2Power AGM batteries to ensure your vehicle has all the power everyone needs to enjoy the ride. The Absorbent Glass Mat design of our X2Power and Platinum AGM batteries are maintenance-free and 100% spill-proof. Our Duracell AGM and X2Power AGM batteries are built to perform for long stretches in large vehicles in extreme heat or cold climates. No matter what you need, our full line of batteries come with free replacement warranties ranging from 24 to 60 months. To find the right battery for your vehicle, your lifestyle, and location, visit us online or in stores today.